Hey everybody, it's Gray again. Heck yeah, you can cook, and today you are going to make my peaches and herb, all you people going that song's in your head right now, chicken thighs. That's right. We're going to have fun today making this. It's something I created a couple days ago, adding some flavors that are unique. Comes out fantastic, heck yeah. Ingredients and tools for today. You're going to need a pair of tongs, knife, fillet knife, peeler, wooden spoon, and a knife for some heavy chopping with your vegetables. Over here we're going to have 2 peaches, and we have sliced those up in little chunks. You're going to need 1 pound of parsnips. We've got those right there. They are sliced. 3 ounces of cheddar cheese. Our collards that we have prepared, that is 1 large bunch. Prepping the collard greens can be very difficult if you don't take out a large stem. This is in the middle, you see, from the collards. These are bib collards. This is the stem right in the middle. So what I do is I remove it, slice it out, and then we can shred the collards afterwards. But you get the large stem out of all of these. Then just take your knife, just shred it across one way, turn the pile, back across. 4 chicken thighs here, skin on, bone in. 1 tablespoon and a little bit more than that in reserve of cumin powder. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of pink salt. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of sumac right here, and 1 tablespoon of herbs de Provence. And these are all a little bit more than that, and they are in reserve, so you can use them. We've got 1 shallot that we have minced. We have got 1 inch of ginger peeled and minced, and 1 yellow or red bell pepper sliced and then sliced in half. For today's recipe, make sure you preheat your oven to 425 degrees on the roast setting. Putting everything together, the first thing I like to work on is we simply take, you see you got your baking dish right here, take your collards, just spread them in there. We got those already prepped, right? And now we're going to get working on our chicken thighs. Now what I like to do with the chicken thighs is we've patted them dry with a paper towel. Doesn't hurt to give it another round there. And we're going to work under the skin. So it's important that you don't put things cross-contaminate. That's why this is all in reserve, okay? And we're not just taking out of our container today. So to work on this, what I like to do is I peel back the skin. We add all the spices first. So a pinch of this cumin, a pinch of the herbs, a pinch of the sumac, and a pinch of the salt. Then you add a pinch of the ginger, a pinch of the shallots, and then a good healthy pinch of the peaches. Kind of really work some peaches in there. This tucked in there, and a good pinch of cheese. It's okay if 1 or 2 pieces fall out. Just kind of stuff it back in there. Close that up. Push as you're going along. We're going to keep stuffing to repeat, and I just move these as I get them stuffed over to the greens, set them on there, repeat until you finish. As you can see, we've got the chicken placed in here. What I like to do now is just kind of sprinkle the parsnips all the way around. Now I like to set these on top of the greens, tuck them in so some of that flavor still goes on there. I've got the peaches, a little bit of the peaches remaining. I kind of sprinkle them through the dish. Next we got the bell pepper. Same thing, we're going to make this a very pretty dish. Take our shallots, sprinkle them in there as well. Just take some of the cumin and we sprinkle it this time on top. You guessed it, do this with all the spices and the herbs. The last thing we have is the ginger, and I put that right on top of the grass. I take some avocado oil, drizzle it across, and drizzle some on the vegetables. Now I find the thickest one. I'm going to look at this one right here. Insert a temperature probe deep inside of that. We're going to set, I like to cook chicken thighs to 170. That way I know they're all done. It also gives the parsnips and collards a chance to get all the way cooked. So we're going to come back and show you the last step after it bakes. Heck yeah. Okay, we have hit 170 degrees. There we go. We'll set it on the cooling rack. Thighs are nice and done. What I like to do here is I take off the thighs, little close-up of those. Look how delicious. See the cheese running out. We're going to hydrate these greens back up. Quick stir does that. Get all those juices back into the food. After you've thoroughly mixed that back up and have it ready to go, this is a wonderful. What I like about a meal like this, it's one dish. Make a little bed with the parsnips and the collards. Set the thigh on it just like so. There you have it. Peaches and herbs chicken thighs. Heck yeah. Everybody have a wonderful day.